Welcome friends. Today in mathematics my topic is variation. So what is variation? Two quantities are said to be in variation if any of them increases or decreases, causing decrease or increase in the other. That means if we take two quantities x and y, and if x increases causing increase in y, similarly when x decreases causing decrease in y, or any other changes, suppose this is increasing but this is decreasing, or this is decreasing, this is increasing, this may also happen. So two quantities are in variation when there is change in the one causing change in the other. Variation are of two types: direct variation and inverse variation. Direct variation and inverse variation. These are of two types: direct variation or inverse variation. So what is direct variation and what is inverse variation? Suppose there is two quantities x and y. X and y. When x increases, y also increases. X decreases, y also decreases. This is an example of direct variation. For example, if cost of 5 pen as rupees 20, number of pen 5, rupees 20, and number of pen 7, cost is rupees 28. That means when number of pens increases, cost also, total cost also increases accordingly. And if you consider in opposite direction, that is, if the number of pen decreases, total cost also decreases. So this is a good example of direct variation. At the same time, when number of men remains fixed, engaged in work done simply in direct variation with the time. As the time increases, work done also increases because number of men engaged in work remains the same. To understand it better, we take example in tabular form. Suppose cost of milk is milk and volume in liters and its cost in rupees. Suppose 2 liter cost rupees 40, 4 liter cost rupees 80, 5 liter cost rupees 100, and so on. And so on. So consider this x, this quantity, as volume of milk in liter x, and this is y. if we present the expression in the fractional form x by y, I get 2 by 20, 4 by 80, 5 by 100, dot dot dot, equals to 1 by 20. In all cases 1 by 20. That is, value of x by y, or magnitude of x by y, becomes a constant. X by y equals to a constant. X by y, again 1 by 20, that is a constant. Let it be k. Let it be constant. Let it be k. This k known as constant of variation. This k known as constant of variation. So, if I generalized, two quantities x and y are in direct variation. Two quantities x and y are in direct variation if x by y equals to k. In our day-to-day life, we use the concept of variation for solving some real-life problems, for studying maps. Scales are used in maps, and problems are solved using the concept of variation. As you people already done, people already practiced in unitary methods. It is quite similar to unitary method, but it means it has some idea similar to unitary method, but it will be different. That is, it gives a relation between the two quantities. In unitary method, you people directly find out the value of unit value and they try to solve. But in variation, we directly derive the relation and discuss about this. And using this concept, we can solve lots of problems in our day-to-day real life problems, like studying maps. For example, scales are given in math. And using the concept of variation, we can easily calculate the distance between two places on map. Thank you for all. I'm concluding for the day.